You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Georgian footballer from the country of Georgia, not Georgia, United States. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous footballers that too many people get wrong. So in the original language, it sounds like Khvicha Kvaratskhelia, Khvicha Kvaratskhelia. Yes, it's a bit of a mouthful, Kvaratskhelia. So Kvara, you can simply say, that's how most people refer to, or say it as Khvicha Kvaratskhelia. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps me a lot. And thanks for watching, and make sure to pronounce those names correctly. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.